Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linkings. We explore the artistic beauty of circle drawing in distinct setting, curtains and railway track. Curtains with a gentle swaying motion create a mesmerizing circle as they frame window with elegance, adding a touch of charm to any space. On the other hand, the circle drawing of railway tracks symbolize the journey ahead, depicting the continuous flow of travel and exploration along its path. In this tutorial, we delve deeper into the aesthetic and symbolism behind the circle drawing of curtains and railway track. For curtain, we explore how the circular motion they create add a layer of elegance and grace to any room. By framing window with soft curves, curtain not only provide privacy and light control but also serve as a decorative element, enchanting the overall ambience of the space. When it comes to railway track, we discuss how the circular pattern formed by the tracks represent continuity and connections. We examine how railways symbolize journeys, adventures, and the passage of time, with each curve signifying progress and movement forward along the path of exploration. Through visual examples and through thoughtful analysis, we aim to uncover the beauty and significance of these circular motifs in our everyday surrounding, inviting viewer to appreciate the artistry and symbolism found in the simplest of things. Join us as we delve into the artistic and symbolic significance of these circular motifs in our surrounding. Sit back, relax, and let's embark on this visual journey together. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.